the first way we prototyped this in our mind was with a basic balloon. We would have one balloon and we could write things on the balloon that is basically showing our posture in a room. We want to meet a specific number of people. Now, the more techie version is the following. There is a typical social network database where people can put whether it's fed from existing database or whether it's fed from you know, kind of preparatory work, it's okay. But with your iPhone, you have a little application with two parts. You have this part where you can edit your posture. This is basically some tags about your current subject of interest. And from this database, the system on your iPhone is basically on live calculating the top 5 people that are next to you with the same interest and so forth. So you actually see their faces. And that's an ongoing updating that makes you see who are most likely to be just next to you that you should just go to. That's it.
Okay, thanks a lot. Have you got some question? Yeah.
It's a question to myself. I like the idea of balloon because, of course, we are all in favor of high-tech media, but a balloon is a material object, and there is nothing which, I mean, no virtual thing can change the number of atoms in the universe. I just like to remind you of that anecdote that Citroën, the car maker, he used the Eiffel Tower as an advertisement poster. I don't know what there were lights, and all people living in Paris, whatever the radio or TV, there were no TV then, when they saw Eiffel Tower, they saw Citroën in light bulb.
The balloon can be an image for branding the tool. I mean, we can put a couple of balloons all over the place to remind of the system. We can actually use balloons to create a very precise localizing technology, because you need to tell the iPhone that people are very nearby. So this is the idea.
And so my question is an open question to myself and possibly to you. It's still an open question how you, for instance, you price as an advertising agency the traditional limited space ads versus the pervasive one which everyone gets on iPhone, because of course Eiffel Tower is old tech, but still there's only one Eiffel Tower on Earth, and it will always be the same size.
Boris, what is the question related to that?
No, it was an encouragement, praise, tribute to your genius.